Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we're offering some more reconditioned parts. This is a brake caliper for a 72 to 73 H2, as well as 72 H1B, as well as 73 through 75 H1 500, as well as KH 500. Now this is a rebuilt genuine caliper. These bolts, which are shafts with O-rings, have been replated. We had this bleeder made. This is all powder coated. Has new brake pads. Now we had this body powder coated, and the rebuild kit we get from Japan, it has the O-rings, the seals, everything. The piston is used, but it's very salvageable, to say the least. It's nice. So this is a ready to go bolt-on part for your bike. So we're going to be offering this for sale on our webpage. I hope you like what you see. And we're starting to rebuild a lot of parts because we have a lot of parts. Okay, thanks a lot.